the court at least three times. Where have you been?
No, I informed your prosecutor's assistant. Her name is Marilyn, and I have evidence in the form of the message that I am ill. I don't have
Yeah.
access to bloody doctor. I can't buy medicine in this horrible ugly country. They have got my passport. No money can come here. Okay, I was left in an ill state, and your Marilyn, who is assistant of this dodgy prosecutor, I told her she needs to extend the date because I have been coming here for more than 2 months, since November, okay? But no prosecutor, no police, no judge and no immigration came for 6 months, and I got ill and they started torturing me.
Okay. Where have you been live? Or about 2 weeks ago at Kuta or where?
Yeah, I'm in Kuta. I told her I'm ill. You need to tell the judge that I am ill. He needs to extend the date, okay? I'm not eating properly at all. I have no access to the doctor. If I get any illness, there is nobody to give medicine, okay? Because your dirty system kept my passport, they kept the money. I can't even buy a medicine, and no doctor sees you without money.
Yep.
So
Thank you.
this is a very dirty Indonesian law.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And how can you justify? How can your dirty immigration officer can ask for 3,000 pound illegal money? According to the judge today, and according to your Indonesian law, you cannot ask for 1 penny even after 60 days. I told your immigration that I have overstayed, so what is your procedure? Your immigration asked for 3,000 pounds, okay? Because of your dirty immigration, I lost 2 flights, okay? Your immigration told the court that when somebody overstays, they have to arrange their own flight to go back. So when I had my flight, why did this not let me go 6-7 months ago? Because they were playing a dirty drama.
Okay.
They wanted to trap me in this country because I was alone, I had nobody with me, and I was an easy target, and they wanted to take my passport so I can never travel. They wanted to ruin my career, and your dirty prosecutor Tayara, he tortured me today, and he said to me, you are not ill. He is not a medical professional. He can't even speak English, okay? And how can he judge me I am ill or not?
Yes.
How can he judge me? He is not a medical professional. And 2 vagabonds who were holding me, look what they have done to me. Look what they have done. And they have broken my sandal. And he ran away with my mobile, so I have to shout inside to ask the judge to get my mobile back. So what I want is all the foreign countries to ban Indonesian officials and to ban Indonesia and don't give them visa because they torture foreign citizens and they take money from them. They keep them trapped in this country for more than 1 year. Tell me one thing. For more than 1 year, what is the prosecutor doing?